Hello, in this video, I'm going to share my review on the Casio F105W-1A. I've had this watch for about a year now. At the time of purchase, I was looking for a daily digital beater watch. I needed it to be simple, have a day-date function, and be water resistant. Upon arrival, I immediately changed the resin band to a nylon NATO strap, which made the look and the feel of the watch very versatile and practical. It really gives out a military watch feel, especially with the NATO green color. I've also placed a protector film to keep some scratches away. From the start, I was eyeing the Casio F91W-1, but the LED backlight was really a letdown. That's when I found out about the F105. The electroluminescent backlight evenly distributes the light throughout the digital display. Comparing the LED backlight of the F91, it is a night and day difference. The Casio F105 has a width of 35.2mm, a lug-to-lug of 39.2mm, and an 18mm lug width. The dimensions are very similar to the F91. The only difference is the thickness. This is to compensate with the EL backlight technology. When looking at the watch, you can clearly see the resemblance coming from the F91. I've used this watch for about a year now. I've jogged, slept, and daily showered with this watch. It is very lightweight even with the NATO strap attached. Most of the time, you won't even know you are wearing a watch. Considering its affordable price, the watch is quite durable. If you want the look of the iconic F91 with upgraded backlight, you should definitely consider picking up the Casio F105. That's it for this episode. See you in the next one.